Analysis on expansive soil. Wafflesuite carries out non-linear soil structure analysis over a range of soil moisture conditions, geometries, and loading patterns as defined by the user. The routine design for expansive soil is based on the interaction of a loaded waffle raft that is superimposed on an initially distorted soil surface. Convex and concave three-dimensional shapes are defined for center heave and edge heave distortions. The Mitchell's equations are used to plot the soil profile along with the principal directions of the selected rectangle. The magnitude of the soil surface distortion depends on the characteristic surface movement as defined by the user. In the standard Mitchell method, any rectangular foundation layout is further simplified, with two beams running along the principal dimensions of the rectangle. This simplification comes with some limitations that Wafflesuite wants to overcome. In fact, with beam-on-mound analysis, some important design parameters may not be considered and differentiated. Contrarily, Wafflesuite enables the user to optimize the structural design by predicting the deflections and the actions for structural members with different stiffness, location, and load conditions. This is particularly important when elements with different deflection limits, such as veneered and cladded frames, coexist in the same building. Another simplification adopted within the standard Mitchell method is to assume an abrupt transition from soft soil stiffness to hard soil stiffness within the soil mound. Conversely, in Wafflesuite, the transition between areas with different modulus of subgrade reaction is described with a piecewise constant approximation function that mirrors the shape of the mound. In the determination of the stiffness of the structural sections, Wafflesuite adheres to the provisions of Clause 4.4 of AS2870 standard, where a reduced value for the modulus of elasticity of concrete is to be used in combination with the inertia of the uncracked concrete cross-section. Wafflesuite can analyze both shallow and piled foundations. In piled foundation analysis, the pile stiffness is spread across the nodes that the software identifies on the basis of the selected foundation layout and pile spacing. The user should give consideration to the fact that the calculated pile reactions are approximated because they are derived from simplified layouts. It is advisable to consult the calculation methodology document before undertaking the design of a pile foundation.